Hello everybody, welcome to judycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the previous year questions of 2019 for ILI LLM entrance exam 2021. So I have already uploaded one session in which I have discussed the previous year question paper of 2020. I'll share the link in the description box below. So today I am going to deal with you a total number of 140 questions, and the rest of the 40 questions which are subjective in nature I will be dealing with you in the next part. So let us start. So the first part is actually dealing with questions relating to English. Choose an option which is nearest in meaning to the word given in capital letters in question number 1 to 5. So you have to choose the nearest meaning of the given word. Taxidermy. The correct option is option number B, the activity of cleaning, preserving and filling the skins of dead animals. Question number 2, Hoover. It means option number A, vacuum cleaner. Question number 3, noose. It means option number D, a loop with a running knot. Question number 4, a posteriori. It means option number C, relating to knowledge proceeding from observation. Question number 5, poplar. It means option number A, a tree with straight trunk. It is not popular, the word is poplar. 6. Choose an option which is nearest opposite to the word given in capital letters in question number 6 to 10. So you have to choose the antonym of the given word. 6. Avarice. It means option number D, generosity. The opposite meaning of avarice is generosity. Avarice means extremely greedy. Question number 7, conceit. The opposite word is option number C, humility. Conceit means excessive pride in oneself. Question number 8, bountiful. The opposite word is option number B, meager. Bountiful means abundant. Let us see the other meanings. Aplenty means in abundance. Meager means lacking in quality or quantity. Question number 9, incisive. The opposite word is option number A, rambling. Incisive means quick and direct. Question number 10, sporadic. The opposite word is option number D, regular. Sporadic means occurring at irregular intervals. Question number 11, choose an option which is nearest in meaning to the phrase given in italics in question number 11 to 13. A political ideal without state and government with full individual freedom. So you have to choose an appropriate word which can substitute the given sentence or say the given phrase. The correct option is option number B. It means anarchy. Let us see the meanings of the other words. Mobcracy means rule or domination by the masses. Plutocracy means a state or society governed by the wealthy. Lawlessness means a state of disorder due to a disregard of the law. Question number 12. An event causing great and sudden distress. It means option number D, calamity. Let us see the meaning of others. Misery, it means a state or feeling of great physical or mental distress or discomfort. And disorder means a state of confusion. Question number 13. From the beginning. It means option number C, ab initio. Let us see the other meanings. Eternal means lasting or existing forever. Everlasting means lasting forever for a very long time. And divine means of or like God or a God. 14. Choose an option which is nearest in meaning to the phrase given in italics in question number 14 to 16. Question number 14, cutting corners. So you have to choose the nearest meaning of the sentence which is given in italics. The correct option is option number D. So the words which are in italics are actually the phrases. So let us see the meaning. This option number D, doing something poorly to save our time. Question number 15, pull yourself together. It means option number B, to calm down. Question number 16, miss the boat. It means option number A, it is too late. 17. Fill in the blanks out of the given alternatives in the sentences given in italics in question number 7 to 20. My brother studies dash a university. So the correct word is option number C, at. My brother studies at a university. So question number 18. Ram apologized dashed being late. The correct option is option number C. Ram apologized for being late. Question number 19. The cat jumped dash the table and split the glass of milk. The correct option is option number D. The cat jumped onto the table and spilled the glass of milk. It's not split. So this is an error which is given in the question itself. So this is actually spill. Question number 20. The girl insisted on going dash Ram. This is option number B. The girl insisted on going out with Ram. 21. Pragat Singh was an eminent Indian sport person of yesteryears. Which game did he represent? The correct option is option number C. Hockey. 22. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India in May 2019? So, for this question, the answers which are given are not the correct one. So you have to write in the comment section below who is the present Chief Election Commissioner of India according to 2019. The correct answer was option number C, Sunil Arora. 23. In which country Lake Rakshasthal is located? The correct option is option number A. It is China, and Satluj River originates from its northwestern tip. So that's an extra fact which I am giving you. 24. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? This is option number B, Fatima Bibi. Question number 25. Which of the following was not a Chief Justice of India? This is option number D, Vivian Bose, because Vivian Bose was the judge of the Supreme Court, not the Chief Justice of India. 26. Which movement was Annie Besant associated with? This is option number C, Home Rule Movement. 27. Where was Jesus Christ crucified? This is option number C, Jerusalem. 28. Which of the following did not command the Kaurav forces according to epic Mahabharata? This is option number D, Duryodhan. 29. How was Abu Talib ibn Abd al-Muttalib related to Prophet Muhammad? This is option number A. He was actually the uncle of Prophet Muhammad. 30. In which country Mazar-e-Sharif is situated? This is option number B, Afghanistan, and it is also family known as Blue Mosque. 31. The smallest union territory by area is? This is option number C, Lakshadweep. This is the smallest union territory in terms of its area. 32. Name the first indigenously built submarine of India. This is option number A, INS Shalki. And let us see the other facts of the other given options. INS Kalvari, it is the first of the 6 Scorpion class submarines currently in service with the Indian Navy, commissioned in 2017, and is a successor of INS Kalvari S-23. So the present one which is in use in the Indian Navy is S-21 class of INS Kalvari. INS Khanderi is the second of the Indian Navy's 6 Kalvari class submarines being built in India. INS Kursura, she was India's 5th submarine of Kalvari class, decommissioned in 2001. That means it is not in use. So all the submarines are given in the options. So these are the different kind of submarines. So I would suggest you to read about all of this by pausing this video. 33. Meghnad Saha was an Indian scientist. Which discipline he belonged to? This is option number B, physics. 34. Sakshi Malik won bronze medal in Rio Olympic. In which sport she won the medal? Very easy one. This is option number C, wrestling. And in 2016 she won the bronze medal in 58 kg category. 35. Vikram Sarabhai is best known for his contribution to option number D, space science. So he is internationally regarded as the father of the Indian space program. This is an extra fact. 36. Which of the following was not a judge of the International Court of Justice? So the correct option is option number A, J.S. Pathak, and all the other persons given in the options has been the judge of the International Court of Justice. 37. Who is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? This is actually option number D according to 2019, but presently the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is G.C. Murmu. 38. Through which of the Indian states river Ganga doesn't flow? This is option number B, Madhya Pradesh. So let us understand the facts of the holy river Ganga. It originates at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda in the town of Devprayag in Uttarakhand. So where these two rivers meet, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, there only the river Ganga originates. 39. Which is the capital of Colombia in South America? This is option number D, Bogota, and the currency is Colombian peso. 40. Which of the following countries is not in European continent? This is option number C, Cote d'Ivoire. It is situated in Western Africa and the de facto capital is Abidjan. The administrative capital designated since 1983 is Yamoussoukro. Then we'll be dealing with part 2, and in this part we will be dealing with questions relating to law subjects. 41. Whose position was it that law emanates from a person in authority? This is option number C, John Austin. 42. Who is the author of the book Justice as Fairness? This is option number B, John Rawls. 43. Whose jurisprudence is based on morality of excellence and morality of duty? This is option number A, Lon Fuller. Question number 44. Whose jurisprudence is a defense against critical legal studies and skeptics? This is option number D, Ronald Dworkin. 45. To which of the following Bentham is associated with? This is option number C, hedonism. 46. Pound's jural postulates are. So these are what? These are option number A, statement of contemporary social values. 47. Which of the following was not a legal positivist? This is option number B, Paul Vinogradov. 48. A legal person is who? This correct. The correct option is option number D, any entity bearing rights and or duties. 49. Which of the following developed harm principle with reference to the concept of liberty? This is option number B, J.S. Mill. 50. Which of the following is a jural correlative of liberty according to Hofield? So this is option number B, no right. 51. In which of the following cases it was held that section 377 of the IPC is constitutionally valid because there is presumption of constitutionality of an act of parliament? So the correct option is option number B. This is Suresh Kumar Kaushal versus Nas Foundation. So this is the judgment of 2014, and later the same has been overruled in Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India. 52. Who was of the opinion in Sabrimala case, Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala, the essence of religion consists in practices followed by the followers of a religious domination? The correct option is option number C, Justice Indu Malhotra, and she was the lone woman who actually dissented from the majority judgment. 53. The preamble of the Indian Constitution seeks to secure to all its citizens equality of, this is option number D, status and of opportunity. 54. Right to privacy is the main subject matter of which of the cases? This is option number A, K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India. 55. Which of the following constitutional amendments enabled state under Article 15 to make any special provisions by law for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizens of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes? So you have to choose the amendment in which the provision was added. So the correct option is option number D, is Constitutional First Amendment Act 1951. Question number 56. In which of the following cases directive principles were not allowed to be harmoniously construed with fundamental rights and fundamental rights were clearly declared to be superior to the directive principles is option number A, State of Madras versus Champakam Dorai Rajan. 57. Which has the residuary legislative powers under the Constitution of India? This option number C, the Parliament. 58. In which of the following cases para 7 of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India was declared unconstitutional in so far as it bars the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? The correct option is option number C, Quixote Holohorn versus Jaquilu. 59. Which of the following is an essential qualification for election as the President of India? He must, option number A, must have completed the age of 35 years. So this is one of the essential qualification for election as for election of the President of India. 60. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty according to the Indian Constitution? This is option number D, to give liberty to fellow citizens. 61. A 6-year-old boy kills a fellow boy with a knife. According to Indian Penal Code, he is not liable to be prosecuted and punished for the killing. Is he a person? He is. Option number D, he is a person. Question number 62. The Supreme Court of India has declared 377 of the IPC unconstitutional. This is option number C, only to the extent to which this section punishes two consenting adults of same sex for homosexuality. So only to this extent section 377 has been allowed, or sorry, has been held unconstitutional. 63. Kharak Singh versus State of UP is a case on constitutionality of option number B, police surveillance. 64. What is the legal status of Santhara Jain ritual of committing suicide by starvation? This is option number D. The Supreme Court has stayed the order of the High Court and admitted the appeal. Question number 65. To constitute dowry death, which of the following condition is wrongly stated? This is option number D, within 10 years of marriage, because dowry death has to be committed within 7 years of marriage. 66. So these are facts. Let us read the facts first. Sister of Ram Prakash married a person belonging to another caste. The marriage was not approved by some influential members of the community of Ram Prakash. They influenced the members of the community to excommunicate the family of Ram Prakash. However, later on, the caste leader asked Ram Prakash to give rupees 1 lakh to the community as a penance, and only then his family would be admitted in the community. But Ram Prasad, instead of delivering money, files an FIR. The community leaders who demanded money claimed no offence has been committed, as Ram Prasad was guilty of violating community rules, and in fact no money has actually been delivered. What offence, if any, has been committed by the community leaders? So let us see the correct option. The correct option is option number C. So the community has actually attempted to commit extortion by asking rupees 1 lakh. Question number 67. So let us read the facts first. W, a married woman, lived with her husband along with a 6-month-old baby. But her life was miserable as her husband frequently used to beat her. She wanted to go to her parents, but her husband threatened to beat her if she dares to do so. But one day when W was missing, the husband perused her and found that she was going to her parents with the baby. When W turned around and found her husband running towards her, panic-stricken, she along with the baby jumped into a well. The baby died, but she survived. She was prosecuted for the death of the baby. What offence, if any, has been committed by her? So the offence which has been committed by her is option number D, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. 68. A and B are joint owners of a house. A takes the horse out of B's possession intending to use it, but after riding it he has a change of mind, sells the horse and appropriates the whole proceeds to his own use. What offence, if any, has been committed by A? The correct option is option number B, criminal misappropriation. This is also known as dishonest misappropriation of property. 69. Which of the following is not the correct ingredient of the offence of theft? The correct option is option number B. Out of the ownership of any person, ownership is not required as an ingredient of the offence of theft. Question number 17. A preparation of which of the following offences is an offence? This is option number A, dacoity. 71. Which of the following is not an essential element of a contract? This is option number C, advantage to both the parties. 72. A writes a letter to B offering to sell his car at rupees 2 lakh and states that if he does not receive a reply within 15 days of the receipt of the letter by B, the offer shall be deemed to have been accepted. B doesn't send a reply even after 15 days of the receipt of the letter by B. Has the offer been validly accepted? The correct option is option number A, no. 73. A sells his property worth rupees 1 crore to B for rupees 1 lakh. Is the contract enforceable? This option number D, yes, contract is enforceable. 74. A goes to a private hospital for treatment of certain ailment. After the completion of the treatment, the hospital gives him a bill for payment. A refuses to pay on ground that there was no contract for payment of expenses between him and the hospital. Can A refuse to pay? The correct option is option number C, no, he cannot, as there was implied contract to medical service and to pay the bill. 75. A and B jointly owe rupees 1 lakh to C. A alone pays the whole amount to C. B, not knowing the fact of payment by A, pays rupees 1 lakh over again to C. Is C bound to repay rupees 1 lakh to B? The correct option is option number D. Yes, C is bound to repay because he has actually accepted the amount of rupees 1 lakh twice. 76. A immediately need huge amount of money for the treatment of his son suffering from cancer. He agrees to sell his house worth 1 crore for rupees 50 lakh to B. Is the contract enforceable? Yes, option number A, the contract is enforceable. 77. Where a party to a contract has real or apparent authority over the other, the consent given by that other to the contract may be vitiated because it is influenced by option number C, undue influence. 78. Which of the following is not true of an Indian partnership? This is option number D. The business must be carried on and managed by all. So this is not true. 79. Who is a dormant partner? This is option number B. He is not known to outsider as a partner, doesn't take part in the management. Question number 80. Which of the following is not true about a warranty? This is option number C. It is applicable to service only. 81. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court observed to the effect that government or statutory authorities must anticipate, prevent and attack the causes of environmental degradation? When there are threats of serious and irreversible damage, lack of scientific certainty should not be used as a reason for postponing measures to prevent environmental degradation. The onus of proof is on the actor or developer to show that his action is environmentally benign. And this has been held in the case of option number A, Vellore Citizens Welfare Forum versus Union of India. 82. Indian Council for Enviro Legal Action versus Union of India is a case on option number B, environmental degradation caused by chemical industries. 83. Which of the following fundamental rights was most prominently used to evolve environmental law in India? And the article is option number C, Article 21. 84. Which of the following is the correct explanation of the principle of absolute liability? The correct option is option number A. Where an enterprise is engaged in inherently dangerous activity, the persons engaged in the activity are liable irrespective of the fact whether they took reasonable care in carrying out such activity or not. 85. Tarun Bharat Sangh Alwar versus Union of India is a case on option number C, illegal mining in wildlife sanctuaries. 86. Precautionary principle in environmental law refers to option number A, anticipatory action to be taken to prevent harm to environment. 87. Principle of proportionality in environmental law refers to option number B, balancing the needs of development with the health of environment. 88. When a local body did not perform its duty of keeping the environment of the locality clean on grounds of non-availability of funds, the Supreme Court asked it to perform its duty on certain grounds and manner. Which of the following was not one of them? The correct option is option number D. So the decision has been taken from the famous judgment called Ratlam Municipality Corporation versus Union of India, it can postpone the cleaning till it gets sufficient funds. 89. Under which of the following acts the office of Chief Wildlife Warden was created? This is option number A, the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 19. Which of the following cases the doctrine of strict liability was established for the first time? This is option number B, Ryland versus Fletcher. 91. In law of torts, neighbor's rule means, so it means option number B, even in the absence of a contract, the person whose actions harm another is liable. 92. A person was arrested by the policeman on suspicion of being in possession of stolen property. His property was kept in government malkhana. The policeman in charge of malkhana misappropriated the property and fled to Pakistan. Is the state liable to the owner of the property for the wrongful acts of its civil servant? This is option number D. The state is liable even for sovereign functions. Question number 93. A labourer was taken to a police station for doing some work. When he demanded wages, he was severely beaten, as a result of which he died. Is the state liable to pay damages? Again, yes. State is liable for the wrongs of his civil servants. Option number D. 94. Which of the following is not an exception to the principle of strict liability? This is option number A, intention of the defendant. 95. What is the meaning of ubi jus ibi remedium? This is option number A. B. Where there is a right, there is a remedy. 96. Which of the following is not an essential of tort? This is option number C. Wrongful act or omission must have nexus with privity of contract. 97. What is the meaning of injuria sine damnum? The correct option is option number D. If a person's legal right is violated, he can bring an action even though he was not suffered a loss. 98. Plaintiff was the chairperson of the town meeting. The defendant, having been very vociferous, a motion was made and carried out by majority that the defendant be turned out. The defendant said he would rather pull out the plaintiff than be turned out. He advanced menacingly towards the plaintiff with clenched fist, but his advance was prevented by a warden. Decide appropriate civil action against the defendant for his action against the plaintiff. So the case is option number C, assault. Question number 99. Which of the following is not an ingredient to constitute negligence? The correct option is option number A. The defendant should have taken reasonable care towards a plaintiff independent of her legal duty. So it is not an ingredient to constitute negligence. Res ipsa loquitur, it means option number B, thing speaks for itself. 101. Which of the following is not a category of crimes defined by London Charter of the International Military Tribunal of 1945? The correct option is option number C, crimes against women. 102. Which of the following category of crimes doesn't fall within the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court? This is option number D, crimes of sedition. 103. Who was of the opinion that international law is vanishing point of jurisprudence? Is option number A, Holland. 104. The primary focus of International Commission of Juries is on option number B, human rights and rule of law. 105. Which of the following is not a mode of acquiring state territory? This is option number D, protest. 106. Which of the following is a better explanation of a consul? They are option number A, commercial agents maintained by a state in other states. 107. What is a better meaning of just cogence in international law? This option number C, designates norms from which no derogation is permitted by way of particular agreement. 108. What is the better meaning of pacta sunt servanda? This is option number D, treaties shall be complied with. 109. G20 consists of? So it consists of option number C, 19 individual countries and European Union. So these are the members of G20 countries. 110. Define continental shelf. This is option number A, the area of seabed around a large land mass where the sea is relatively shallow compared with the open area. 111. A cyclist negligently dashed against a bus and was killed in the accident. The bus driver was also found negligent in not avoiding the possible accident. The wife of the deceased cyclist brought a civil action for damages for the death of her husband. To what extent, if at all, will she succeed? The correct option is option number B. The court will apportion the blame between the bus driver and the cyclist, and damages would be awarded to the extent of negligence of the bus driver. 112. Which of the following remedy is not available in action of torts? This is option number C, fine. So this is not a remedy available in action of torts. 113. Can a family business carried on by a Hindu undivided family be called partnership? This is option number D, no, as a business is an outcome of an agreement. So a family business of a Hindu undivided family is not termed as partnership. 114. Which of the following is an implied authority of partner? This is option number D. An act of a partner which is done to carry on in the usual way business of the kind carried on by the firm. 115. How a partner cannot retire? The correct option is option number A, by tendering resignation to any one of the partners. 116. For the purposes of sale of goods act, which of the following is not included within the definition of goods? So the correct option is option number C, actionable claim. Actionable claim is not included in the definition of goods. 117. Which of the following is not a right of an unpaid seller? This is option number A, right of lien on the goods in the possession of the buyer. 118. Ram lives in Mumbai, orders brass utensils from Suraj's establishment in Muradabad. Suraj sends the utensils through a courier to Ram's office in Mumbai. Ram refuses to take delivery. The courier leaves utensils in the office of Ram against the will of Ram. Ram stops payment. Can Suraj exercise right of stoppage in transit? The correct option is option number B, yes, as the goods are still in transit. Because Ram refuses to take the delivery, and this is a reason why the transit hasn't come to an end. 119. In a contract for sale of goods, it is provided that property would pass to the buyer only on payment of full price. Would it be a sale or an agreement to sell? This is option number C, agreement to sell. 120. In a contract for sale under the Sale of Goods Act, the subject matter must primarily be related to option number D, goods. 129. What is the period of limitation for the recovery of a debt? So this is option number C, 3 years. 122. What is the period of limitation for criminal cases in India? So the correct option is option number B, no period of limitation is actually specified. 123. Under certain circumstances, period of limitation may be relaxed. Which of the following is not a circumstance? The correct option is option number D. The delay is caused because the applicant was busy with personal problem. So this is not the reason to seek for the remedy of relaxation in period of limitation. 124. Where the access and use of light or air to and for any building have been peaceably enjoyed therewith as an easement and as of right without interruption and for dash years, and where any way or water course or the use of any water or any other easement, whether affirmative or negative, has been peaceably and openly enjoyed by any person claiming title thereto as an easement and as of right without interruption and for dash years, the right to such access and use of light or air, way, water course, use of water or other easement shall be absolutely and indefeasible. So you have to choose the correct option which can fill the two blanks. The correct option is option number A, it's 20 and 20. Without interruption and for 20 years, and then and as of right without interruption and for 20 years, the right to access and use of light or air, way, water course, etc. 125. What is the period of limitation for a cause for possession of immovable property based on previous possession and not on title when the plaintiff while in possession of the property has been disposed of? So the correct option is option number B, it's 12 years. Question number 126. In which of the following cases a contract may be specifically performed? The correct option is option number A, when the act agreed to be done is in the performance wholly or partly of a trust. 127. When may an instrument not be rectified? This is option number B, when by mistake of one of the parties the instrument doesn't express his real intention. 128. Which of the following features of a temporary injunction is not true? This is option number D, it is not regulated by Code of Civil Procedure. 129. Which of the following kind of remedy cannot be granted under the provisions of Specific Relief Act 1963? This is option number C, writ of prohibition. Question number 130. Common law system is a system, this is option number A, that has its origin in United Kingdom. 131. Who is more prominently associated with the idea of natural law with variable content? This is option number B, Rudolf Stamler. 132. Who famously said we ought to obey God rather than man? This is option number D, Thomas Aquinas. 133. Under the US Constitution, residuary legislative powers are given to states. Who according to Indian Constitution exercise residuary legislative powers? This is option number B, Parliament. 134. MSM Sharma versus Sri Krishna Sinha is a primarily case on option number C, parliamentary privileges. 135. Which provision of the Constitution of India makes it mandatory that ratio decision die of a case declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on all the courts in India? Article. This is option number D, 141. 136. On which of the following grounds writ of certiorari cannot be issued? This is option number C, merit of the case. 137. How the judges of the International Court of Justice are elected? They are elected by option number A, the General Assembly and the Security Council of the UN simultaneously. Then 138. The first summit meeting of BRIC grouping was held in 2009. Which of the following did not lead his country's delegation? So this is actually a general knowledge which is based on an old fact. So the correct option is option number B is Xi Jinping. 139. There was a plea for damages against electricity board when a cyclist was entrapped and electrocuted by a live wire. The board tried to oppose the plea on ground that the wire was a diverted line laid by a stranger to siphon energy. Will the court accept the defense of the board? The correct option is option number B. As a responsibility to supply electricity statutory, the primary liability to compensate is that of the board. 140. The last question. If an accused of a crime wants to take advantage of general exceptions given in IPC, who has to prove applicability of these exceptions? Then the correct option would be option number A, the accused. So this has been our session and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. So I will be meeting you in the next session, in which I will be discussing with you the subjective question, the solution of subjective questions. So stay tuned, watch our channel, and till then, goodbye and have a nice day.